Hi everybody, welcome to Tavish Academy. Today we are presenting a new chapter, Time and Work. Time and work concepts. Here, the problems deal with the efficiency of an individual or a group of individuals to accomplish a work or complete a piece of work. Therefore, work is the effort applied to accomplish a task. A certain amount of time is taken to complete a certain work. The number of units of work done per unit is called the rate of work. Therefore, work is equal to rate into time. However, in some cases, the total work itself can be taken as 1 unit. Hence, sometimes we assume the total work done as 1 unit in the problems we encounter. So in such cases, rate is taken as 1 upon t, that is 1 upon time, or time is equal to 1 upon r, that is 1 upon rate. Therefore, we can say that rate and time are inversely proportional as RT is equal to W, which is fixed in quantity.
Time and work formulas. If A can do a piece of work in n days, then A's 1 day work is 1 upon n. Suppose if A can do a piece of work in 5 days, then his 1 day work will be 1 upon 5. If A's 1 day work is 1 upon n, then A can finish the work in n days. So, if A's 1 day work is 1 upon 5, then A can finish the work in 5 days. If A is thrice as good a workman B, then the ratio of work done by A and B is equal to 3:1. The ratio of time taken by A and B to finish the work is equal to 1:3. Now, total work is equal to number of days into efficiency. Now, if a group of people are given salary for a job they do together, then their salaries will be in the proportion to their individual efficiencies for the work done for the same number of days, or else the salaries will be divided in the ratio of units of work done by them.
Examples. Example 1. If Arya and Rita can do a job in 8 hours, working together at their respective constant rates, and Aarti can do the job alone in 12 hours, in how many hours can Rita do the job alone? Solution. Now, let us suppose that Aarti to be A and Rita to be R. Now, A and R can do one job in 8 hours, so they can do 1 upon 8 work in 1 hour. A alone can do one work in 12 hours, so she can do 1 upon 12 work in 1 hour. So we can form an equation now, that is A plus R is equal to 1 upon 8, where A is equal to 1 upon 12. Now, solving the equation, we get R is equal to 1 upon 24, which is the work done in 1 hour by R alone. Therefore, it will take 24 hours for one work by Rita alone. Example 2. A can do a piece of work in 60 days, which B can do in 40 days. Both started the work, but A left 10 days before the completion of work. The work was finished in how many days? Now, as we can see that A left the job 10 days before the completion, so B worked alone in the last 10 days. So, first of all, we will calculate B's work in the 10 days. Now, in 10 days, B will do 10 into 1 upon 40, that is total number of days, 40 is equal to 1/4 of the work. Now, remaining work, that is 1 minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is B's work in last 10 days. So 3/4 is the work done together by A and B. Now, as we can see, A and B can do the work 1 upon 60 and 1 upon 40 work in 1 day. So, their 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 40, which is equal to 1 upon 24 after solving the equation. So, they can finish the work in 24 days. They would have done 3/4 of the work in 24 days. Therefore, 24 into 3 divided by 4 is equal to 18 days. Now total days is equal to 18 plus 10 is equal to 28 days.